Alright, YouTubers. You may be wondering, I had to make this one up on the floor. There's no room up on my mount for a hugger ceiling fan. But not much of a hugger because the blade arms are freaking like 6 inches off the motor. I don't know what someone was thinking when they made this thing. Let's test it out, shall we? Alright, medium low. I despise hugger ceiling fans. Other one that looks as stupid as this one is. That's horrible. That's horrendous. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Not bad. Let's go ahead and go to high. Surprise! It doesn't move much air at all. You spin down. One of the weirdest, ugliest things I've ever seen. Blade arms that come 5-6 inches off the motor. That's ridiculous. It's not a hugger anymore. It's just a regular ceiling fan. You idiots. I'll see if this thing has a label and I'll put it in the video, but I didn't check before because I was just looking at the blade and I was like, why are the arms so retarded? This is also why I don't like hugger fans. Either you can have a ceiling fan or you can't have a ceiling fan. You have to have a hugger ceiling fan, you're better off getting a floor fan. See if anyone wants this thing. Good luck. Might just go straight to the scrap pile. It's so retarded. Oh, look at this ceiling fan. Oh, it's retarded. God, this blade here is so stupid. Good news is the bearings are good. This retarded piece of crap. Anytime you want to stop. There we go. Thanks for watching.